Ramadan. Ramadan Mubarak. Today I am going to show you a new look hijab tutorial during Ramadan. I am using a red hijab today. This is sponsored by Raisa. You know, in Ramadan we used to pray more, so we need to put hijab. This is a red georgette, which is very comfortable, and now there are coronavirus everywhere, so put hijab is very much safe. It is also religious, you know that. Hijabi cat. I am the hijabi cat. This is my hijab, and this is a niqab. How beautiful it is. You know, this is very simple. Just put it on and give it in your nose, and you can sleep, you can pray, you can do whatever you want. So this is the final look. You can also do like this, and like this if you want, and you can also sleep inside the hijab. So this is all for today. Thanks for watching. Bye.